Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your host and dost Amir and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So ये मेरा पहला एपिसोड है and I thought why shouldn't I make something with my favorite ingredient and that is none other than the egg. और जब भी मैं एग के बारे में सोचता हूँ तो मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुंबई की फेमस पारसी रेस्टोरेंट्स की अकुरी का ख्याल आता है. So today we'll be making akuri, which is a spicy Parsi style scrambled egg which can be eaten while breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner or even late night. Well, people say that burji and akuri are one and the same, but that is completely untrue. Burji is well cooked or overcooked, while akuri is served soft or even runny. Burji is medium spicy, while akuri has a lot of heat. To begin with the recipe, we will be keeping ready 2 red onions and 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Well, I'm that type of a person who loves a lot of coriander in their food, so I would suggest you to do the same. With that, we'll also chop couple of green chilies. Make sure that you chop it very finely. This recipe will serve 2 people and I believe 4 eggs would be sufficient. Make sure that you don't whisk the eggs, just keep them as it is. The best way to become a professional is to keep everything ready. Also, do let me know what next to cook. So we'll start with the cooking. Place a pan on the heat, pour some oil and let it warm up. Put some salted butter for some richness and an enhanced flavor. सच कहूँ तो मक्खन हर डिश को बहुत ही यमी बना देता है. In other words, completely magical. So once the butter has melted, you can add in the chopped onions and saute it until they start sweating. We have to keep the onions soft and translucent. Don't brown them or overcook them because they will turn your akuri darker in color and we really don't want that. Cook it until you achieve such texture and saute a bit. Add in the chopped tomatoes and let it cook. Cook the tomatoes nicely so that it does not taste raw. After that, add in 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and cook it well. Please make sure that you properly cook the ginger garlic paste, otherwise it will have a raw flavor. आप इसमें chopped ginger और chopped garlic भी डाल सकते हैं, but I would suggest you to put it in the paste form. After this, we'll put our dry masalas, which is turmeric powder and red chili powder, both 1 tablespoon each. Cook everything nicely. Add in the chopped green chilies and saute it for a while. Only put half of the chopped coriander. Keep the other half for the finishing. Saute all of these nicely. Let the oil ooze out. And then we will add in the eggs and most importantly, turn off the heat. ध्यान रखिएगा, हमें अकुरी सॉफ्ट चाहिए, ओवर कुक्ड या वेल कुक्ड नहीं. And now we'll finish it off by putting the leftover coriander, season it with some salt and some crushed black pepper. Mix the akuri nicely and let it cook in the residual heat. आप अकुरी के साथ ब्रेड, रोटी, नान खा सकते हैं, बट मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगा कि आप पाव खाइए मक्खन मार के. I hope you guys liked the recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.